Ready? Start. The bills introduced in this house relating to the fighter bombers and reactors were passed in this session without any opposition. Stop. The hinder strike of plant workers in the reactor has ended and the temper of workers has also cooled down with the agreement signed with their union. Stop. There is no anger in the minds of workers and their leaders now. Stop. The key punch operators joined their duties in order that the work may not suffer any cooperative attitude of the entire industrial workers all over the country. Stop. In order that the private sector industrial units function properly to produce more, the central government has decided to monitor the schemes of drinking water, education, health for industrial workers. Stop stanza. Sir, another point of interest raised was about typewriters and telepromoters. Stop. As you know, one tender were invited and letters were also written to various tenders, traders in the private sector registered with the directorate. Stop. But neither open tenders were received, not they responded. Stop. Therefore, there was no alternative but to place the orders with the factories not registered with the Directorate of Supplies and Disposal. Stop. I am sure there is no mollified intention of the ministry in placing the orders. Stop. If the picture is not clear to any member, he can come to my chamber in future before asking such questions on the floor on the house. Stop. The suppliers have been asked to deliver the goods immediately and in any case latest by 15th December. Stop. Therefore, it is not correct to say that they can linger on the dates on their supplies. Stop. If they are not able to deliver the goods within the specified time limit, it will be our duty to cancel their orders for these items. Stop. Over.